Hi everyone, for those of you who have joined today. Let us wait for more people to come and join in so before we proceed. There's four data coming up at 5:30 in about 27 minutes. It's PPI, for retail sales and for PPI. So let us wait for more people to join in before we start. Okay, let's try to see some charts. وعليكم السلام طاهر. So, good evening, everyone. For those of you who joined today, my name is Syed. I'm live here today at YouTube from the Forex Educational Academy. It has been regulated by KHDA Dubai, and today we are here live trading in front of you on this event happening from United States for Gold PPI and PPI retail sales. So we are having a couple of minutes before we proceed. And okay, let's try to make some analysis. Let's see, gold. Gold is right now trading near to its all-time high. It made an all-time high of how much? Of almost 46.42 roundabout. Right now trading at 32. Walaikum assalam, Jimmy. Okay. Why gold is going up nowadays? I hope everyone is well aware of that. Due to the geopolitical tensions happening right now in the market, apart from that, Fed chairman is being investigated. So there is, Venezuelan incident. Then there is this Iran protests going on in the market. So a lot of things based on that, oil is also trying to go up constantly since a couple of days. It is trading right now close to $62 per barrel. So yes, that is what it is happening. And then we have PPI data coming down in the market today. So sorry. Taki, it's actually hard to say anything about what's going to happen, what's going to be actual. Let's see the forecast. It's 0.4%, same as previous. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So for those of you who don't know what is a PPI, okay, so we're going to be speaking about it. What is 634? Soon we're going to be seeing some good handsome moves once the data is released in the market. We're having around about 23 minutes for that. So let us try to understand what PPI actually is. So PPI is a producer price index. It shows how expensive it is for companies to produce goods. For instance, if factories pay more, if factories pay more for raw materials, for fuel, for transport, PPI goes up. If their cost goes down, PPI also goes down. So why does Forex traders or what does market have to do with it? Okay. So why traders care? Because PPI is an inflation indicator. So high inflation means inflation, there is a pressure on the inflation, right? So Fed may keep interest rates high or they might hike it, right? So in such cases, US dollar becomes stronger. Now, if there is a low PPI, this means that inflation is cooling down. So if inflation is cooling down, Fed may reduce the rates or keep it steady. So in such cases, what's going to happen is US dollar is going to become weaker, right? So what is the what's going to how it's going to react to the market, right? So if PPI, producer price index, is let's suppose higher than the forecast, which is around about 0.5%, right? So let's suppose if the real results, are higher than the forecast, dollar is going to make its strength, right? Similarly, gold is having high chances that it may fall because it is having an indirect relation. Everyone of this know, right? So if dollar is stronger, gold is supposed to go down, right? Similarly, euro USD also going to go down. GBP USD also going to go down, right? And vice versa. If USD JPY is going to go up. But if PPI is lower than the forecast, what's going to happen? Dollar is going to lose its strength. Gold is going to go up. It is having a direct relation, right? So Euro USD is going to go up. GBP USD is going to go up. USD JPY is going to go down, right? So that's how it's gonna be. So right now we're trading at 46.30. Let us make some analysis. Let us see what's happening in the market before we proceed. Fine, but there is no need. I think there is no need to enter right now. Better to enter after the results are announced, and let the market absorb the fundamentals we just got released. Okay. Gold looks bullish as usual. Very close to its all-time high. We're going to be buying if it comes down at a discounted entry. We're not in a hurry to take any unnecessary trade. If we're not making, at least we're not losing. How many of you guys agree with me? Hi, Kamal. Kamal Kasal. Okay, oil is going up, $61 per barrel. Silver, 92. Wow, silver is crazy. It's flying. It's flying. All-time highs. All-time highs. Nice. Nasdaq. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Nasdaq looks bearish. Nasdaq looks bearish, trading at around 25,770. USD JPY. Oh wow. Wow. It has been trying to, be in the same zone since the past couple of days. It's not moving. Oh wow. What a correction it has given. Not bad. Okay, US JPY. JPY. Wow. Okay, so all of the JPY pairs, if you see, are having almost the same move within the past 1 hour, one and a half hour. So if you see, yeah, you see, almost having the same pattern. Almost, not exactly, but it seems like Japanese yen is making its strength. Okay, let's see pound, British pound. Okay, it's totally respecting the trend line on 4 hour time frame. Guys, make sure you have tried to take a trade in a higher time frame. Always, it's going to give you a clear path, a clear image, a stronger trend. To be honest, so for those who want to take less risk, it's always mandatory to use a higher time frame in such kind of cases. It's going to help you to identify the trend. In short time frames, it's going to be a bit risky, to be honest. But yeah, good for scalping, no doubt. Let's see, euro. Okay, nothing special, nothing major. Let's see the dollar index. Oh, okay, dollar index, dollar index, dollar index is not so bad, so good as well. Okay, let's see Bitcoin. Bitcoin is giving some handsome moves, guys. It gave a successful breakout after a really long time. It was consolidating in the same phase, and it successfully gave a breakout above, Okay, it's currently trading almost 95,000 per coin. Yeah, USD, Dow Jones. Dow Jones is also resistance. Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum had a good pump. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, German 30 DAX. German 30 took a support over here, which we marked previously. Although it looks like it's going to give some correction, maybe till here, 25,140 or something. Let's see gold. We're having roundabout 15 minutes left for the data to announce. I think we should take a trade after the news is announced. Although this was a good zone to buy, according to M3. It means short. How many of you guys are holding buy positions? Gold is trying to consolidate once it gave a breakout above the all-time high and consolidating almost in the same phase. Now I think is announced, till the data is announced, should give solid move either side. That's great. Come on. Okay. Man, I'm loving silver. It's going up like, skyrocketing. Very nice. Very nice. Silver is the new gold in the future, guys. After 5, 10 years, silver is gonna be something, very unique as you see, like gold is, more precious. Silver is even still, but yeah, like in the coming up time, 5, 10 years, it's like if you invest right now and hold it for 5, 10 years, maybe for the future of your kids, it's gonna make you handsome amount of money, guys. Okay. Okay. Market went really, really slow. It's, not having that solid moves. People, they're waiting for data to announce, for news to get released. So, we can take an action. Ah, okay. Can we create a trend line over here? Yes. Okay. Okay. Will it break the trend line? Mm-hmm. Let us see. Okay. Okay. We're having round about 11 minutes. We're going to be taking live trades in front of you on our MT5. So here's the account, and we're going to be taking an entry in front of you. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, gold is not giving that big moves. Waiting for the data. We are also waiting for the data to announce so that we can push. Gold is pushing. Yes. Mhm. What does dollar index say? Okay, dollar index is becoming stronger, and gold also in the previous candle went down. So let's see what happens next. Hmm. I think better to wait for the data to announce, then we take an trade. Right now, taking a trade is not looking that good, and it's respecting the trend line temporarily, which we created. Mhm. So मेरे पास तो नहीं है हाँ नहीं तो स्क्रीनशॉट ही नहीं आया ना सर भेजो उधर so it's trading right now at 44, 46, 32. So we're very near to 92, very near. Historical prices, guys. Historical prices. Look at this really on a daily time frame. It's like wow, wow, wow. It's like wow. During the past, since 2020, it was by the starting of January 2025, it was trading at around 29-ish. It was trading at 29-ish, 30-ish. Right now, within 1 year, it's trading almost at 92, guys. Almost 92. Okay, so silver is the future. Is to GP1. We're having almost 6 minutes left for the data to announce. Let us trade together on the event. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay, gold is having some good bumps. I'm not going to be taking unnecessary trade. Only will be taking some good entries. We're not in a hurry, as I said earlier. Gold having some gold bump, good bump. Okay, that's nice. This is nice. This looks nice. For those of you who just joined, there is a data coming up in a while in round about 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, there's going to be a data coming down in the market. So it is going to be having some at least, there's going to be, we can see some movements happening in the market as it is considered like an important data, right? So it's a monthly data. Based on this, things gets changed actually. So we spoke earlier about what's gonna be the impact if either of the side the data goes, if it's good or if it's bad, what's gonna happen, right? Producer price index. So come on, the market is consolidating sideways. Let the data announce. Let's try. Let's trade today. Let's make some money. Okay. Again, going down. Okay. Okay. 29. For 629. If it breaks this trend line, at least, like if it is trading up below 27, if it breaks it, we can take a sell entry. But again, on the same time, there is news coming down the market. Let's see. Let's see where does the market go. Because whenever there is fundamental data, fundamental news in the market, technicals at that time are silent, right? So fundamentals are taking over the market. But still. So if there was no news coming down, we could have taken an entry. So we're not in a hurry again. Let us wait for the news. Let the market absorb the news, right? So we'll take an entry. We're having less than 2 minutes left. See, it's respecting the trend line. Again, giving a reversal and going up. Yes, like I'm gonna be trading in front of you. Right. We have almost 1 minute left for the data. 1 minute left. Okay, a few more moments and we're here with the data. 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's see what the news is actually. Oh wow. Oh wow. This was the move I was expecting actually. Right. Okay. This kind of this kind of move. Let's see what's the news actually. What's the result? Ah, okay. It's a mix up. It's a mix up. It's a mix up. Okay, okay. That's the reason that it's not going in one simple direction. It's not going in like one way, one direction. Okay, 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 okay. Now let us wait for a while. Let the market absorb it. We're gonna take an entry. We're gonna take an entry. We're gonna take an entry. So it's still respected the trend line. Okay. Let's see what does silver did. I would have silver done. Okay, silver is also going down. Silver is also going down. What does Nasdaq do? Okay, Nasdaq is also almost at the same place. USD JPY, nothing major. All good, all good. No major move. Euro, uh, no major move, almost at the same level. Pound, few spikes, but almost at the same level. No major move, guys. No major move. The data is mixed. Mixed results. Okay. Dollar index, no major, nothing major. Bitcoin went up above 95,000. Nothing major again. German, say nothing. US 30, Dow Jones, nothing. Let's go back to gold. Okay, since it is respecting the trend line, let us place a buy trade. Let us place a buy trade and let's see where our take profit and stop loss is gonna be. Uh-huh. Okay, come down. Let's see. Let's try to put our take profits. Where do we target it? Too many take profit. Okay, it's going down. We're going to be averaging it if it goes and retest again. If it is giving a retest at the over here, we're going to buy again. Let's put some small quantity. Okay. Retesting coming up again. No. Bearish. Went down. What should be our stop loss? Let's try to put our stop loss. Although this is a good zone for support, let's try to add a final quantity, 0.10. Uh, yes, let's add. Let's add. Okay. Great, it's coming out. Okay. We're negative 20 right now net. Okay, now we are positive. All of our trades are in profit. No, again, I'm loss. Okay. Right now we're having a quantity of 0.25. Here are sentiments. Let's see some profit. Let's try to put origin profits over here. 32. Mhm. Wow, nice, nice, nice. Very nice. What a pump. What a pump we can see over here. Try to close the smaller one. Now we're having 0.20. I think we can close everything. We are in profit. Nice. We're in profit. $26 in. Not bad. Decent amount. So it respected the trend line again. It is a little bit of riskier, so that's why we made an early exit. Although it can go up, but it's at a very high prices, and it was a scalp trade, so it's better if we take for a hold for such a while. Okay, let's see something else. Oil, oil at almost at the same place. Natural gas is falling like crazy. Okay. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay. Let's see silver. Silver. It's almost not that bad. Okay, gold. Gold is going up. We made an early exit, but it's fine. I don't mind exiting early. If our risk is managed well, it's fine. It's totally fine. Okay. It is just like in the trend line. Okay. Okay. It's not giving, it's not, we're trying to give us so trying to give some clear image before we proceed and take another entry. Market actually went really, really slow. This DJPY, nothing. It is support and gold. Let us try to put a small buy in gold, smaller one. Where should be the stop loss? It's going up. Ooh, very nice. Okay, going up. Let's put a stop loss at somewhere around here. So if we lose, we're going to be losing $16. And let's see how much does it make for us. It looks a decent pattern, right? So I think it should go somewhere around here. But right now it's going towards our stop loss. Let's average 0.05 again with the all same stop loss. Yes. Okay. Okay. Nice pump. Nice pump. Great. Let's adjust stop loss. I think we should close one and hold one, and let's see where does it close. Nice. Let us close this and let us hold this. Nice. Not bad, guys. Not bad. We'll try to trail the stop loss as it goes up. Nice. Very nice. We'll put the stop loss and break even, or yeah, it gets close. Uh, let's trail the stop loss. There we go. I think this should be a decent stop loss in profit. So if it gets close, it should close in profit, either of the side. If it goes up, it will close in profit. If it goes down, also it will close in profit. Nice. It looks not bad. Okay. Get calm. This was the move I was actually expecting before. But it's going down. Yes, if we have our stop loss, we don't mind. If it goes in whatever direction, profit will come. Looks good. Hmm. You see that 1 minute candles is trying to, trying to give some fake moves. Okay. I think this candle should go up. Yes, should go up actually. Mhm. Trend is bullish. The trend anyhow is bullish. So we are with the trend, to be honest. We are with the trend. We are with the trend. Since 2, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, it's consolidating in the same area. We want such kind of candles, this kind of candles, this kind of candle, either of the side, doesn't matter. But we want some big moves. Look at EST, JPY, NASDAQ, pound, euro, and gold. Come on, Habibi, break it. Break either of the side. Let's see silver. What's up with silver? Yeah, wait, yeah. So Japanese pairs are having almost the same pattern. I think Japanese yen is making some strength. So that's the reason that British pound, dollar pound, you know, almost the same pattern everywhere in all of JPY pairs. You can see, yeah, JPY is making some strength. Okay, what does gold? Just gold have? Yeah, same place, same area. That's not 80. Okay, a logo. Okay, gold lost strength or what? As I get a good support, let's add some small quantity. Oh, our gold got hit. Yeah, the stop loss got hit, but in profit. Yes, in profit. Yes, but we're good in profit. It's fine. We entered Nasdaq, and let's see what does Nasdaq have for us. Just give this target at least. Stop loss. Let's see. Okay, gold going down, but we secured our profits. No issue. No issue. No issues at all. Okay, it's very close to its trend line once again. Because Nasdaq, we opened a small trade in Nasdaq. Hmm. We're having a small position in Nasdaq. Small buy. Support looked good. Miners go. We are secured. We have our take profits over here and stop loss below the low. Okay. Gold also going up. Okay. Nasdaq also going up. Plus, at the same time, gold is also trying to recover. The trend line was something. It is actually respecting it for now, at least for now. It is respecting it. It's consolidating sideways. The market is actually sideways. Nothing major, like the move had already been done, you know. We want such kind of moves, which is let's close this Nasdaq also. Was trying to go down. Let's buy it on a discounted entry. Okay. How much did we make so far? Only $50. Ah, okay. Okay. We can buy easily from this zone. If it breaks the trend line, I think it's going to test this trend line once again, right? So we can buy somewhere around here, 25, 24, according to the situation, according to the situation. Natural gas is falling like, it's literally going down like fire. Okay, we're having a few minutes left before we end the session. So, guys, for those of you who are new here today, I would like to ask you guys to, subscribe to the channel. We go live on daily basis. So whenever there is an opportunity or something big major event happening, you don't miss it, right? So we discuss ideas, we discuss about the plan, we discuss about the data which is coming up. So you know what is coming up, what's going to be the reaction, and how you can make money out of that, or how you can manage risk at least out of that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's see how it goes. Few more minutes before we end the session, so if we get some good move, we'll buy. But the market is literally sideways, nothing major. We can place our buys for a scalp trade above 37, 46, 37. But again, it's not that good also, but not bad also. Natural gas is going down each minute later. It's going down very badly. You see, it's at a good support, by the way. If you want to hold it for a long time, you can make good money out of it. Gold. It's close to 36. Now let's see where it goes. before we enter and plan a trade. No, it is unable. It is unable to go there. Yeah, yeah, it's going down, so it's better to avoid it. Anyhow, it was lovely having you all over here today. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I hope we get some good liquidity in the coming days so that we can get to see some good volume and trade live in front of you with some good moves. If the market is sideways and consolidating, there's no use of risking the capital, right? Or taking unnecessary losses. It is better to stay away of the market and trade only whenever you see some handsome opportunities. So we traded today, and $50. We tried to make some $50 out of it, but yeah, it was totally worth it. Risk was managed. Each and everything was well and good. We did some averaging also, and yeah. So let us meet tomorrow, and let's see how it goes. Uh, I think we're good to go. So see you all guys tomorrow. Take care of yourself.